We knew when we started looking at how to produce our lamb that not every eating experience is an outstanding one. We wanted to create a situation where every time somebody ate a Kamani lamb, it was going to be an outstanding experience for them. So there was a lot of science available which we looked at, and interestingly the science will tell you that it's possible to get extremely tender lamb, beautiful tasting lamb, good colour, all those things. And it's pretty simple really. If we get it right for the sheep, then we've actually got it right for the farmer and we've got it right for the consumer. This area, this sweet spot really, that it's not necessarily all that easy to occupy, but the key to it really is making sure that the animal has no stress. And it really is, there's been just a huge mind change amongst our farmers. We used to talk about fattening lambs and now we talk about finishing lambs, and now we see that our farmers have just got an enormous amount of pride in what they do. We had to make sure that in producing our lamb and making money out of it as we need to do, that we took care of the land as well.